In this video, we will discuss about human digestive system. It starts from buccal cavity, then it goes to our esophagus. From our esophagus, it goes to our stomach. From our stomach, it goes to our small intestine. From our small intestine, it goes to our large intestine, ending in rectum. From our large intestine, it goes to our anus. In this way, our food gets digested. Buccal cavity, the cavity of mouth with all its internal parts including cheeks, tongue and salivary glands is called a buccal cavity. Esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe runs along the neck and chest. Food is pushed down by the movement of the walls of the food pipe. Actually, these movements take place throughout the alimentary canal and pushes the food downwards. At times, the food is not accepted by our stomach and is vomited out. Stomach. The stomach is a thick-walled bag. Its shape is like a flattened J and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It receives food from the food pipe at one end and opens into the small intestine at the other. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. The mucus protects the lining of the stomach. The acid kills many bacteria that enter along with the food and makes the medium in the stomach acidic and helps in the digestive juices to act. The digestive juices breaks down the proteins into simpler substances. Small intestine. The small intestine is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meters long. It receives secretions from the liver and the pancreas. Besides, its wall also secretes juices. Large intestine ending in rectum. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meter in length. Its function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid feces. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. Anus. The anus is the opening at the far end of the digestive tract through which stool leaves body. The anus is formed partly from the surface layers of body including the skin and partly from the intestine. The food components gradually get digested as food travels through the various compartments. The inner walls of the stomach and the small intestine and the various glands associated with the canal such as salivary glands, the liver and the pancreas secrete digestive juices. The digestive juices convert complex substances of food into simpler ones. The digestive tract and the associated glands together constitute the digestive system. The salivary glands produce saliva which keeps the mouth and other parts of the digestive system moist. It also helps break down carbohydrates and lubricates the passage of food down from the oropharynx to the esophagus to the stomach. The liver is a reddish-brown gland situated in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice that is stored in a sac called gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fats. The pancreas is a digestive gland in the body that helps in the breakdown of complex food substances into simpler food forms. It secretes pancreatic juice which helps in the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar, proteins into amino acids, and fats into fatty acids. Types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth. First molar, second premolar, third canine, fourth incisor. Types of human teeth looks like this. First, molar. These are large back teeth. They have a wide grinding surface and are used primarily to chew food. Second, premolar. They have a broader surfaces and therefore help to chew and grind the food. Third, canine. They are also called the tearing teeth. They have very sharp edges and help to tear the food. Fourth, incisor. They are also called the biting teeth. They are flat blade-like teeth. The incisors are the front teeth and they are called because they help to incise the food. Now we will discuss that how animals like cows and buffaloes chew their food. Animals chew their food by the process of rumination, and ruminant. Rumen. It is a part of some animals like cows, buffaloes, and other grass-eating animals. These animals quickly swallow the grass and store it in a separate part of stomach called rumen. Rumination. After some time, the curd of the rumen returns to their mouth in their lumps, bolus, and the animal chews it. This process is called rumination. Ruminant. The animals which have rumen and carry out rumination are known as ruminant. Cellulose. The cellulose is a type of carbohydrate that can be digested by the ruminants and not by the human. Ruminants have a large sac-like structure called rumen between the esophagus and the small intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Ruminant Digestive System. In this way, a ruminant can digest its food. Thank you. Please like and subscribe for more videos.